Hey everyone, how are you all? I am in right now in a Jamal Hotel. This is the informative video from Jamal Hotel. You know, Jamal Hotel is the best local or Bangla restaurant, Bangla hotel in Nakalpara, and the street of CNB Masjid. And I'm showing that the how many dishes are available to eat for your the snacks or dinner right now. Yes, and this is the maybe fish curry, and this also fish curry is huge, and this of fish, and this is beef, and fried potatoes, and many vegetables, fried vegetables from Jamal Hotel. And we are looking Mr. Sharif. He is the best service person of Jamal Hotel, and they are providing for and many fried items of Bangladesh. It's locally very popular, and this is the fried dish, and this is very popular in this area. And look, the Jamal Hotel are very happy with the customer. All the time come the customer from many places of this area. Tell us about Jamal Hotel. Jamal Hotel তোমার কেমন লাগে খাবার খেতে? ভালো ভালো লাগে? That's great. And if you come to this street, you must have right now. Can I ask? Assalamu alaikum. ভাই আপনি জামাল হোটেলের খাবার কেমন লাগে আপনার কাছে?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো লাগে। আপনারাও এরকম আসবেন, মাঝে মধ্যে খায় যাবেন।
Okay, ধন্যবাদ. This is the nice information of Jamal Hotel, and the cost of this dish that I'm showing you. How much is it per plate?
By রেটগুলো
কত টাকা?
মানে 60 টাকা.
Only 60 টাকা per plate, and this one just 70. And this 60 and
20.
Just 20. This is pulse maybe dal, and
20,
this is
20.
blended fish, and 20, just 20. Wow. And
20. 20.
it's two chips for I think it's a very reasonable price for everyone. I think if you stay in Nakalpara, beside of a bus terminal, and in beside of Baitul Nur Masjid, and the street of CNB Masjid Goli, you can come to this Jamal Hotel to take your breakfast, dinner, or snacks, or lunch, because this hotel is providing best quality Bangla food for you. You should not waste time. You should not waste time for cooking, because it's a very reasonable price. You can track your food from Jamal Hotel. Bye bye, see you later. Come to this Jamal Hotel. This is my invitation for you.